Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical window AC, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from window AC, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best window AC from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Midea 8000 BTU U-shaped Smart Inverter Window Air Conditioner. Stay cool and comfortable with the Midea 8000 BTU U-shaped Smart Inverter Window Air Conditioner. This ultra-quiet AC is designed with a unique U-shape that helps block outside noise, making it 9x quieter than traditional units, with noise levels as low as 32 dBA. Featuring Smart Control, you can adjust settings from anywhere using the Smart Home app or control it hands-free with Alexa and Google Assistant. Its DC inverter technology ensures 35% more energy savings, making it ENERGY STAR Most Efficient certified. The flexible window opening lets fresh air in while maintaining your view, and the anti-theft mechanism keeps your home secure. With fast cooling, dehumidification, and a built-in dust filter, this high-performance AC is perfect for bedrooms, offices, and apartments. Installation is simple with the quick snap bracket, and it fits single or double hung windows 22 to 36 inches wide, 13.75 inches in height. Upgrade your cooling game today. Number 2. Amazon Basics 5000 BTU Mechanical Control Window Air Conditioner. Beat the heat with the Amazon Basics 5000 BTU Mechanical Control Window Air Conditioner. Perfect for small spaces up to 150 square feet, this compact and efficient AC provides cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes to keep your room comfortable year-round. It features 7 temperature settings, dual cooling and fan options, and adjustable air direction for a customized experience. The removable and washable filter ensures clean, fresh air while making maintenance hassle-free. Designed for easy installation, this window AC unit fits standard windows 13 inches from 23 inches to 13 from 36 inches, with adjustable side panels for a secure fit. With an ENERGY STAR 4-star rating and SEER 14 efficiency, it helps save on energy bills without compromising performance. Ideal for dorm rooms, RVs, apartments, or small offices, this powerful and reliable air conditioner delivers cooling comfort wherever you need it. Stay cool and refreshed with this budget-friendly cooling solution. Number 3. GE 5000 BTU for small rooms Window Air Conditioner. Stay cool and comfortable with the GE 5100 BTU Window Air Conditioner, designed for small rooms up to 150 square feet. Whether it's a bedroom, home office, or studio apartment, this compact and efficient AC delivers reliable cooling with 2 cooling modes and 2 fan speeds for maximum comfort. The low-noise operation makes it ideal for nighttime use, ensuring a peaceful sleep while keeping your space cool. With easy-to-use mechanical controls and 10 temperature settings, you can adjust the cooling to your preference effortlessly. The Easy Mount installation kit allows for a quick and hassle-free setup in double-hung windows 21.875 from 36 inches wide, 13.375 inches height, plus the washable, removable filter ensures clean air and optimal performance. Just clean it every 30 days for the best results. Featuring our 410A refrigerant for efficient cooling, this reliable and budget-friendly AC is the perfect solution for staying cool all summer long. Number 4. LG 8000 BTU with Auto Restart Window Air Conditioner. Stay cool and comfortable with the LG 8000 BTU Window Air Conditioner, designed to efficiently cool rooms up to 350 square feet. Whether it's your bedroom, office, or living space, this powerful yet quiet AC unit operates at low noise levels as low as 53 dB. Ensuring a peaceful environment. The auto restart feature conveniently restores operation after a power failure, while the 3 cooling and fan speeds with AutoCool allow for customized airflow. Featuring 4-way air deflection, this versatile unit provides optimal cooling in any direction. The digital control panel and included remote offer maximum usability, making temperature adjustments effortless. Plus, the slide-out, washable filter and filter light reminder ensure easy maintenance for long-lasting performance. With the window installation kit included, setup is simple and hassle-free. Keep your space cool and comfortable all summer with the LG Window Air Conditioner. Number 5. Keystone 10,000 BTU wall-mounted air conditioner with supplemental heat. Upgrade your home with the Keystone 10,000 BTU wall-mounted air conditioner with supplemental heat, perfect for year-round comfort in rooms up to 450 square feet. This versatile unit provides powerful cooling in the summer and 10,600 BTU supplemental heating for chilly days. Designed with a space-saving wall-mounted design, it keeps your windows clear while delivering fast cooling, dehumidification, and fan circulation. The smart remote control ensures precision cooling by detecting room temperature and adjusting accordingly, while features like filter light reminder, energy saver mode, and sleep mode help reduce energy consumption and keep your unit running efficiently. Whether you need quick relief from the heat or extra warmth in cooler months, this high-performance AC and heater combo is a reliable, budget-friendly choice. Plus, installation is simple with the universal interior trim kit included. Stay cool in the summer and warm in the winter with Keystone's premium wall AC unit. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.